Okay, my first ever unboxing video. So I've been waiting for this since March, and it finally arrived this week. This week being the first week of September, so March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months. It wasn't coming from anywhere, or at least not directly. I ordered it from a Canadian company. Unfortunately, the manufacturer is in Italy, and given the current world circumstances, this is how long it took to get here. So, Cimarron. So, I shoot percussion revolvers. Currently, I prefer the 1858 Remington New Model Army, and as such, I've gone through a couple of different makes and models, and I've settled on the Cimarron version of the Uberti 1858 New Model Army. I have one which I bought secondhand, but it was in excellent condition. I don't think it had even been fired, and wanted a pair, so I ordered a brand new one. And so we get a little thank you card from our friends at Wolverine. That's the local Canadian dealer. We have a warranty card and some sort of promotional card. And an offer to join the NRA. Not really appropriate for a Canadian, but hey. And a Firearms safety booklet. And of course, the infamous quote, "I'm your Huckleberry." That's pretty cool. I'll keep that. And then we have at last the owner's notice. Whatever that is, I'll read it at some point. And finally, the instruction manual. And now, to get to the good part, the new gun. So we're quite excited, like a kid at Christmas. So everything fits nice. This is the one thing this is the reason I chose to go with the Cimarron version of the Uberti, because I really found the fit and finish on the products to be excellent. And so I'm just going to very gently cut off this tag here. Got that. So we can see the gun. It's nice. Just going to check the action. Oh, half cock works. She rotates nicely, but not too loosely. It's just it's a nice. And index is really nicely. I like that sound. Click. Anyway, that is my new Cimarron Uberti model 1858 New Model Army. And I am looking forward to shooting it on the weekend with its brother. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.